What has happened to me? When I'm gonna break through. Upside daisy, upside daisy. La 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 la. What the hell? Three, two, one. Hi guys,
Welcome to today's vlogs.
today is day
64.
Hope you enjoy. What has happened to me? When I'm gonna break through. Upside daisy, upside daisy. La 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 la. What the hell? Guys, if you were wondering what that sound was, that is the printer. Because I'm just about to go print out some work and they're still singing. Norse. Come side.
And it's
Can I
gonna-
press the button?
And it's going to be really loud, guys.
And it's gonna like explode everywhere because we've already tried this.
Hey guys, excuse the messy hair. It's blowing outside, and actually, to be honest with you, we've not been doing very much today at all. Well, no, that's a lie. We've been doing a lot today, but we've been doing it in our pajamas, tartan PJs. Sexy. Anyway, I want to show you the technology table, which is kind of, you know, where everything's around and about. So join me over here, hey guys. So this is our little tech table here, and it's looking very much cleaner than it was this morning. We've got PlayStation camera, Nintendo Switch. We've gone for the neon red and blue, as you can see. That is the Wii sensor bar, telephone, and obviously router there. And then down here, what have we got? We've got PlayStation 4, we've got a little VR box there. And that's our cable box. And then in here we've got that's the backup drive. There's another backup drive for work. That one is the Wii. There's some Move controllers, some PlayStation 4 controllers. Getting a bit dark now, I understand. And then down here, cables and whatnot. So looking very organised. Oh, and 3D glasses, of course, for TV. So, what do you think? I think it looks pretty blooming fab, actually. Anyway, that's it for us today. So I'm going to say goodnight, and we'll see you tomorrow. And just in case you fancy sort of looking at who's talking, it's me. Night, guys.